some time here, those will just cancel, okay, leaving you with a 0 on this side. And this expands to be y squared minus 10y plus 25 plus y squared minus 2y equals 0. Okay? And so now it's just a matter of just cleaning this up further. I'm going to have 2y squared minus 12y plus 25 equals 0. Okay, does that factor?
No.
Not easily, no. Okay? I mean, it can, but again, not easily. Okay? So, instead, what we'll do here, excuse me, is we'll go ahead and use the quadratic formula on this. The quadratic formula works just as well with y's as it does for x's, except y then will be equal to minus negative 12 plus or minus the square root of negative 12 squared minus 4 times 2 times 25, okay, all over 2 times 2. We clean this up.
Yeah, you touched it, you gotta catch it.
That's real. If you touch it, you gotta catch it.
What
That's the
happened?
rule. It doesn't work.
It doesn't work. Okay?
Did it touch your hand? You gotta catch it. You saw it. It's a rule.
Okay. It doesn't work, unfortunately.
Oh no.
Okay. We weren't able to get a solution here. So if I can't find a solution for y's, does that mean these things cross each other?
Yeah.
Okay. Unfortunately, they do. And a quick way to always tell is to actually graph. Yes. So graphing is always a good thing to do to check your answers on things. So it was parentheses x minus 2 squared. Okay. Plus y minus 1 squared equals, what was it, 8? No. 1? Okay. And the other one was the equation x equals y minus 3, right? Yeah. Oops, not minus 0.3. That would actually work. Minus 3. And if you look, oh no, they don't even come close to each other, do they? This circle and this line don't get close to each other. No, they're separate.
Maybe next time.
So close and so far.
So close and so far. You guys ever see Price is Right?
Oh yeah.
The game show.
I've seen it.
Yeah.
I've never heard that.
Oh, it's when you get something, when you lose, they play that music, bum bum bum, like the sad, like, you suck at Price is Right, you lost. All right. Anyway. Last one to look at here, okay? Number 5, 3x minus y equals negative 2, and 2x squared minus y equals 0, okay? So, 3x minus y equals negative 2, and 2x squared minus y equals 0. Yeah. Okay. Now, if I'm solving this one by hand, what do you think is the ways I could do this one best? Set them equal to each other. This is a case of setting them equal to each other. I'll rewrite both in terms of y, okay? And then just have them set equal, okay? So, rewriting it, the top one becomes 3x plus 2 equals y, and the bottom one is 2x squared equals y, okay? Well, now they're equal to each other, so I can just set them equal to each other. 3x plus 2 equals 2x squared. Now we get everything on the same side. We'll set this equal to 0, so 0 equal to 2x squared minus 3x minus 2. Hey, what does that look suspiciously a lot like?
Quadratic.
It's another quadratic equation. You see a general theme with these equations?
I love quadratics.
What do they all become? Quadratic equations. Okay? And that's kind of the lesson here, is that they'll always become some sort of quadratic equation. Okay? And then just solve accordingly. Okay? I'll use quadratic formula on this one, although this one probably does factor also, but quadratic formula is it? No, I cannot scroll.
Lit light to the screens.
I'll let you go for a second. There's those tissues.
Alright.
Mr. Dad, I have a question.
Uh-huh.
How many more tests will we have in this class?
At least 2.
Oh, that's exciting. It's not bad.
Yeah. If you think about it, we had 2 going in the midterm,
Yeah,
so we'll have 2 coming out of the midterm for the
that's
final.
cool.
And obviously, as a senior, you'll need you take the final.
I will not
So-
be doing that.
Can I opt out of the final as well?
Are you a senior?
That will not
Next year.
be.
Next year, so are you a senior? Yeah.
No, Richie, I'm sorry.
Are you a
You
senior?
have to pay your dues, Richie. You
The
have to
question,
pay
the
your
answer is
dues.
no. You guys unfortunately have to take the test.
You
You gotta pay them one
Yep.
more time, man. You gotta pay Woodbury one more. They're gonna squeeze all
You
of
gotta,
it.
you gotta,
They take your soul with it. You know, that's how they do.
Well, kinda true.
Okay.
Fair enough.
Your money and your soul. You come out
let's take a
hollow
look at this
shit.
one real fast. Quadratic formula in it.
That's me. Mr. Dad, you have to edit that. That's gonna go on YouTube, man. You can't let that go on YouTube. What I just said about
What?
what I just said about Woodbury, how they suck your soul and your money. That has to be
Maybe
edited.
I'll try to cut that out. We'll see. The problem is, it's hard for me to edit these things.
I mean,
And I
alright.
can't get the videos off of it anymore onto my computer.
Oh, jeez.
So, you
You're
know,
screwed.
I think you're just, you know, it's alright, Brendan doesn't mind.
Three
It's
and-
cool.
3 2/3 year.
That's
You
cool.
made it pretty far.
No one say his name.
Nobody say my
No
name.
one say whose name?
Jordan.
You just got thrown under the bus.
Only because cheer from around that Jordan.
Alright.
Hey, guys.
Say my name, say my name.
It's a good song.
Destiny Child fan, Mr. John?
Huh?
Destiny Child fan? Are you a Destiny Child fan?
Oh, Destiny Child. They were pretty awesome.
They were pretty dumb. They weren't.
The one you said don't say his name. I ended up saying.
So this one actually came out rather nicely with 2 proper answers. Okay? One is going to be 8/4, which is 2. The other one's going to be negative 2/4, which is negative 1/2. Okay? So those are my 2 answers for x. Now to find y, I of course just plug it back in to one of the 2 original equations. Which one do you think is going to be easier to plug these in for to find y? Okay, top one? How about this one, since it's directly equal to y? Okay? 2x squared equals y. So doing it that way, okay, when x is 2, okay, 2 times 2 squared is equal to y. Well, that's going to be 8. And the other one is 2 times negative 1/2 squared equals y. That's 1/4, so this should be 1/2 equals y. So my 2 points should be 2, 8, and negative 1/2, 1/2. Okay. And if we graphed it, it should be confirmed. Okay. Any other questions? These things are pretty straightforward, aren't they? Okay. A lot of these things end up just being more algebra heavy than anything else. this. Okay, as you can see up here, a lot of it's just realizing the best way to set up the thing to solve for x and y, and then the rest is just using what we know to crank out an answer. Okay. All right. Are we all good on these? Okay. That about wraps it up then with this stuff. What we're going to look at tomorrow is something called parametric equations. Okay. Parametric equations are when you can start making these really crazy loopy graphs on the thing, and you also have to set your calculator in parametric mode. Okay. Basically, what you do is you treat x and y as completely separate things. As you have an equation that tells you how things move in the x way, and you have an equation which tells you how things move in the y direction. And you combine the two to get these neo graphs. Okay. All right.